Welcome to Word Guide. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the font group in Microsoft Word. Whether you are creating a professional document or designing a flyer, understanding how to use the font group will help you make your text stand out. Let's open up a blank document and get started. First, let's locate the font group. It's on the Home tab of the ribbon right here. The font group is where you can control the appearance of your text, and it's packed with useful features. Let's break down the main features one by one. First, we have the font type. Click the drop-down to see a list of available fonts. You can scroll through or type the name of the font you're looking for. Let's select Arial. Now let me demonstrate it. Next, we have the font size. This drop-down lets you change the size of your text. You can choose from the preset size or type in a custom size. Let's set it to 14. Now let me test it. To the right of that, you will find increase font size and decrease font size buttons. This lets you adjust the size incrementally. Next up is the bold button. Clicking this makes your text bold, which is great for headings or emphasis. Next to bold, we have italic and underline. Italic tilts your text to the right, while underline adds a line beneath your text. Let's apply both to see how they look. Now, let's look at the strike through button. This puts a line through your text, useful for showing edits or deletion. The subscript and superscript buttons are next. Subscript lowers your text below the baseline, while your superscript raises it above. These are useful for chemical formulas or mathematical equations. Let me demonstrate it. Next, we have the text highlight, color, and font color buttons. This lets you change the background color behind your text and the color of the text itself. Let's highlight some text and change its color to blue. Finally, there's the Clear All formatting button. This removes all font style and size changes, returning your text to the default settings. Very handy if you want to start fresh. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the font group in Microsoft Word. By mastering these tools, you can make your documents not only more readable but also more visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Word Guide for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching and happy typing.